So guys, on our USD JPY for the week, let's see our analysis. If you are actually new to this channel, before you go, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. You can see our USD JPY. You can see our USDJPY. We are actually on a bullish move, by the way. So it got to a time our price actually range within this area, and we actually had a breakout, right? Once we have a breakout, one rule in trading is that our price will come back to test that our breakout. It is exactly what we are about to have on our USDJPY. We saw a breakout, right? Price broke above this. It broke above here, and we saw price. Let me just highlight here. Price also broke, came back. It was actually range around this area here. So on this our daily time frame, we are expecting our price to come down to test this area and actually continue bullish. Exactly what we'll be aiming for this week. I am still aiming for a bullish dollar on bullish move on our dollar, but before that we should actually come to see a fall, that is a retracement, then a bull. Now you can see it on our 4-hour time frame. Our 4-hour time frame is starting to give us that bearish move. You can see lower lows. We saw the lower highs. We saw under lower lows. We are expecting a lower high, then a lower lows again. At least our price will continue like that till it comes to hit this our 11 year where our price broke out from, before we can continue our bullish move on our USDJPY. That is it. So we are expecting fall on our USD to our JPY. Now let's sit on our USD index, by the way. As we can see our index, I've done an analysis. We can see it on is it our USD index. We are actually on an uptrend move, by the way. You can see our higher highs here, and we're actually having a retracement. I believe we will have that retracement till our price hits this week here, this lows here. When our price comes down to it, then we will actually be seeing that push up. That is why we would be seeing that bullish move on our USD to our JPY. So you can see it, our price is actually still coming down. I believe our price will come down to hit this liquidity area here before you can actually now see that bullish move. So a little bit of a pullback and a push up. That is what I am expecting to see on our USD JPY. So our USD falls, then we actually see a rise. Now on our JPY index, as we can see our JPY index on the long run, if you are to sit on our daily time frame, we are actually on a fall move, by the way. So that is why I said probably once we start having that fall on our index, I believe our index will actually hit this lows here for the week. So once our JPY index fall and we are expecting a bullish move on our USD index, that is to say that our USD to our JPY will very much likely go bullish this week. So that is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.